The housing market here in Toronto has cooled slightly over the last year, but are we going to see that continue as we head into the fall housing market? On BT this morning, we spoke to Murtaza Haider. He is a housing expert at Ryerson, and he thinks for now the answer is yes. It is an interesting fall. Let's talk a little bit about the TREB ruling, which makes it public now, previous sale prices, right?
That is true. So what has happened is that you won't see the difference on the realtor.ca website, but the Supreme Court's decision not to hear the appeal means that the real estate agents or brokerages who would like to have their virtual office websites show the sold prices, they will be able to show it. It will have a lot of impact that individuals who are looking at a house would know what was the last transaction price. But what concerns me the most is that this information is still off limits for any analytics or converting raw data into insights for the benefit of the markets, for the investors, for the buyers and sellers.
There is a lot of question marks about this market right now in the fall, but you also said Toronto is now on the world radar.
Absolutely.
And so even if it's slow right now, this is not something that's going to continue.
No, not in the long run. So the good news is that we have been discovered. We have been discovered globally. So it was New York, it was San Francisco, London. Now it's also Toronto. So we are a global city. We are recognized by investors. All over the world, immigrants are waiting to move to Toronto. At this moment, you may see that prices are a little bit moderated. At this moment, you may see that the sales are a little slow. And this is primarily because of the whole host of interventions that have happened. As for the long term, Haider says there is a lot of room for growth, he feels, here in Toronto because we are recognized now as a world city and people will be coming from everywhere to live here, meaning continued growth likely for the years to come.